There is a brand new tool that's going to make your life extremely easier than anything else when trading in Pump.Fun. I'm going to be making continual videos on this particular app. It's a brand new app that you're going to have exclusive access to via the link down below. So make sure you guys use that link because it has some really cool features. Number one, it's going to allow you get airdrops for this token. And this particular platform does not go live until Monday. The great thing is if you use the link I'm providing you guys below, you'll be able to get access to it right now. So share it with your friends. If they trade in Pump.Fun, now's the time to get in. You're probably going to see a lot of videos and a lot of other influencers after watching this video make similar videos for this particular app. So want to make sure I get you guys in here early so you guys can know exactly what you do. With this app, guys, you're going to be able to make at least a good amount of exits on your investments because not only is the app fast to invest, but it has a lot of real cool features that Photon doesn't have. As you guys know, I love Photon, but these features are really good. Theoretically, I always say that whenever there's competition, it's good because it makes other people step up their game. And this is kind of like the competition of Photon. So we're going to see how this actually looks. So this is what we're going to be looking at when you guys get into the interface, right? So this is the interface of the token. I'm going to share with you guys pretty much the Pump.Fun features. And then in another video, I'm going to share up settings and what really cool features are more in depth within this platform. So when you sign up and use the referral link, you are going to need a Telegram account. So if you come in here and you don't have a Telegram account, you are going to need a Telegram account. I do want to let you guys know. So that is going to be the first thing you want to do. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what it looks like when you are not logged in, so you guys can get an idea of the step process, and then we'll go in and take a look at every single feature that's going to change the game for Pump.Fun. All right, fellas, so when you get to the link, you're going to be presented to this particular area. As you see here, early access is going to be accepted for you guys because you are using my link. This is the only way you're going to be able to get in here, so you want to get in here real quick. You're going to click where it says connect Telegram. You're going to need a Telegram account. It's going to ask you if you want to open your Telegram account through the web browser or if you want to open the Telegram account through a web app. So I'm going to do the web app. It's going to automatically open it for me. You'll get a button that says start. You click start. It's going to say log in. You press open, and that's going to take you to the website, and it's going to automatically bring you into this section right here. Now, once you guys are completely logged in, the first thing you want to notice is you want to get familiar with the UI. So first, this is going to be the way you access the UIs and everything. And the main thing about here, guys, is you're here, you're going to be able to see multiple things that are being traded within the platform. Now, of course, you could set up your filters. So for example, if you don't want to see Pump.Fun, you could actually hide Pump.Fun, and that will completely hide every single Pump.Fun option available for you guys. So you click here and then you click apply, and that will remove every single Pump.Fun token and only show you tokens that are trading in the platform. But since we love Pump.Fun, we're going to leave it open. And the main feature I love about this one for Pump.Fun is this tab right here where it's called Pump Vision. Okay, this is going to be the game changer for you guys because unlike a Photon where you could only see the stuff that's getting created at as it's going, in this one you could actually see a couple things. Not only do you have a column for new creations, so stuff that's getting created right now, right off the instance, but in addition to that, you also get these ones that are called about to graduate. What these are tokens that are found within Pump.Fun that are about to hit King of the Hill or that have hit King of the Hill. Now, in addition to that, you also get to see on the other tab the tokens that have left Pump.Fun and are now going to Radium. So the advantage that this gives you is that you're able to see three major important things that you could invest into right off the bat and really fast. In addition to that, you're able to see a lot of really cool details that are relatively small, but once you look at them, they're going to be life changers. So, for example, we have this Lana token that just came out right now. You see that right here, that not only do you get the Pump.Fun link, so if you click on that, it's going to automatically take you to Pump.Fun, and you'll be able to see the token. In addition to that, you also get to see that it has a Twitter account. In addition to that, guys, if you click on the little web browser, it'll take you to their website, and it'll take you to their Telegram right off the bat without any problem. Now, in addition to that, you're also able to see people that have invested into the token. So we look at this one more advanced here, about to graduate. There's 91 people that are trading right now within this token. And it also shows you how many replies it has. And it also gives you the market cap. So you can make a better decision. Okay, this is about to hit King of the Hill. Let me invest in it. This is about to leave, a Pump.Fun. Let me invest in it. All right. So you're able to do that. Now, on top of that, you also have all these filters. which are going to let you guys pick what you want. So these are not that important when it comes to Pump.Fun. But as far as the liquidity, volume, market cap, and all those are really important. And you can literally set up minimum buys and minimum sells. So let's say you want to buy one, right? And you want to say the max is 5, you hit apply here. And now that we do that, it's going to automatically allow us to go and do those based on that particular option. So I'll show you guys how that works in a little bit, but that is just a quick example that I want to give because this pretty much website has so much complexity when it comes to it. So let's go ahead and tick on one of these. Let's tick on this Karopi one right here. We're going to go right here and you'll be able to see a couple of things. Number one, you'll be able to see the chart, which is really cool. You'll be able to change this to 1 second, very similar to Photon. You have indicators, market cap. You're able to see the bubble map within the interface, which is really, really cool. All right. And in addition to that, you are able to go to this menu right here, which is called audit. So this audit feature is really good. This is mostly the audit feature comes a little bit more into play when when you're doing stuff out of DEX, but the audit feature is actually pretty good because it'll tell you what the pretty much what the token is doing once it hits DEX. I'll show you guys on a DEX token so you guys can get a better idea. But it just tells you very important thing. As you guys see here, it's yellow. Yellow means like, take a little bit of caution because 23% of the holders hold the liquidity within this token. If it's red, it's going to be over 30. If it's not in any color, that means not a lot of people are holding the token. But it'll also show you guys really quick. And you could actually just see that without clicking it. It'll be, the color coordination is amazing. So you're able to see that. Now, in addition to that, I'll tell you what the bunding curve is. When it comes to being in Pump.Fun, you're able to see the liquidity, the min cap, the price, and the fidelity. Now, this is the top where the things get really, really important, which is your buy and sell. As you hear, if you want to buy, the great thing about this tool is that you could literally leave this and it will automatically sell for you. Photon does not have that option, and I'm pretty sure they're going to go ahead and add it, but you are able to do that within this platform. So you click limit here, you can literally set the amount you want to buy. And in addition to that, so you put 1 and you can set the market cap. And the great thing about the market cap, as you see right here, if I move it, you'll see this line comes here. So I could say, okay, you know what? If this dips down to, let's say 23 market cap, I want you to buy 1 SOL. Okay. And in addition to that, I could also tell it if it goes over. So like if it goes over that, so like if it goes to, let's say 100%, I want you to sell out of that position for me. It will automatically do that for you, which is amazing, right? You're also able to check the stuff that we talked about. And in this one, you're able to check your position. So like what you invested, what you sold, remaining, P&L and percentile, and all that good stuff. So that is the beautiful thing about buying, is that not only can you buy in and tell it, not look at the chart, but tell it, when it hits 20%, buy in, and sell when it hits, over 100%. But you could also go ahead and tell it when to sell, because you could literally sell a limit here. So you set your limit here for buy at 20%, you go to sell, and you could set a limit and say, you know what, whenever this hits 100%, so if it goes up here, sell automatically. And it will automatically sell that for you and sell you out of that position, which is amazing. So you could tell it, okay, I wanted to sell, 50%, I wanted to sell 75%, all 100%. You could literally tell it what to do right off this, this particular thing. And that's the reason why I love this new feature, because it's going to give you guys a little bit more flexibility when it comes to trading within Pump.Fun. Of course, we'll do a live trade in another video where we go over the settings. But if you want us to get a setting video fast, like by tomorrow, let's see if this video hits 100 likes and we'll get that out for you guys really quick. Remember, you guys are getting in here early. Now, another great feature about this is, for example, if I want to track this token, I can literally click on here there, and it will automatically make a notification for me, so I could actually get access to this token right off the bat. In addition to that, I can even start this one, so it's going to automatically put it on my watch list, a feature that's not currently available within Photon. So that's the stuff that we like. Now, let's go back here, and this is just going over, guys, the Pump.Fun. I'm just going to click this real quick, and we're going to take one that's not Pump.Fun related. Let's say this one. So this one came out of Pump.Fun. So as you see here, the audit now gives you more information because this one's out of Pump.Fun. And, we would have traded this one right here. It would have done really, really well because it's at 172 market cap already. You're also able to do new pairs. Now, one great feature about this particular app is just amazing. You can literally trade in multiple, pretty much multiple networks. So if you want to trade in Ethereum, you can literally turn that on. It's going to show you Ethereum tokens as you see it's being changed in the background. If you want to trade base tokens, you can trade base tokens, and you can also trade Blast and Artium. So Solana is what we have here. But on top of that, this is just, you guys are going to be like, bro, this is so good, right? We have this one, which is Explore. This is giving you a very nice breakdown. I'm going to go over this a little bit more in depth because I would have to go like full on breakdown here. But literally, you're able to see tokens that are going to be pretty much trading right now and are trending, right? And as you see, they're moving up different. And I love the color coordination here where we have liquidity, market cap. You're all able to see the chart within real time as well. And you're able to go to your watch list and your positions right from this area right here. So you're able to see everything within the actual chart. You're also able to see gainers. So that's going to tell you what the gainers are looking at right now. So if you see right there, and if we go right here, you're going to see that this one actually, like I said, Pump.Fun and the Karopi one. And right now it's sitting right there. So we're going to go back to pretty much Explorer positions. We're going to go here. Sorry. We're going to go here. Pump position. Sorry. We were in Explorer. I'm telling you, this thing has so much to go for that, you know, it's pretty crazy. So right now, if we go to Explore, it's going to show us right there. In addition to that, we have automation, right? So automation is pretty going to tell you what tokens you have active and which ones are being automated in the sense of which ones are being bought at a certain percentile with what we did there and what is being sold at a certain percentile. In addition to that, we're able to see our portfolio. So we're able to see what trades we have in and what trades we don't have in, and it will divide it based on networks. And we're also able to have a wallet manager. Now, this is where things get a little bit more complex and more interesting because you're able to add wallets in here. So you can click here, add wallet, and it'll create a wallet for you. But in addition to creating the wallet for you guys, you could actually go ahead and make it a primary wallet, archive the wallet, copy the wallet. And in addition to that, you can literally buy into a token, right? And when you buy into a token, it will automatically buy with multiple wallets for you. So you could go ahead and, you know, buy a token with multiple wallets and exit with multiple wallets. Like I said, I will have a more in-depth guide on how the wallet system works, the settings, the gas fees, because you do have to go ahead and have settings to make sure you have your settings right here. And it will automatically do that for you guys. So you can edit your quick buys, your buy presets, and your gas preset buttons. In addition to that, you have the airdrops. Now, the airdrops are really important because if you get in right now, you'll be able to get airdrops for this token, which are going to be super huge if you get in right now before the release of this particular platform. And you're only going to be getting access from this channel. So make sure you guys click on the link, check it out. If you have any questions and you want to see that video more in depth on these settings, make sure you guys get this to 100 likes and let's make it happen, guys. Let me know what you guys think. If you have been trading with Photon, I know a lot of you guys have. Let me know what you guys think. And after trying this out, what do you like and what you don't like? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.